Okay. Where are you from?
I'm from New Jersey, United States of America.
America. Okay, is it your first visit here?
Yeah, first time in Nepal.
First time in Nepal. How do you feel here?
It's amazing.
Amazing.
Very natural.
And what did you visit today?
I visited
Which places
Janakpur.
do you visit in Janakpur today?
I visited the Sita Maya temple. I visited the Raj Devi temple. I am on the way to the Dhanusha.
And now what's your plan? Where do you want to go right now after this?
I think we are after here. We had amazing lunch. Now we are going to the place where Ramji broke the Dhanush for the at the time of Swayamvar.
Where did you eat? In which restaurant did you take lunch? In which restaurant or which hotel did you take lunch?
I don't think
You know, cultural village. No, cultural village.
Okay. So
How was food here? How was food here?
The name of the restaurant is Cultural
Village.
The food was really amazing. It was pure vegetarian food, homemade. All the vegetables are very organic in the farm. They're grown and raised in the farm. So it was really amazing and yummy food.
Okay, and after this you wanna go to Dhanusha Dham?
Yeah.
Just to see that bow. No?
Yeah.
Dhanusha.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. I'm very pleased to meet you, to see you. Thank you.
Thank you for all the